Namaste, welcome to Greet Arrow. So, how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. If you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. So, in the description box, I have my Instagram page link. If you want to follow me there, go ahead and give it to follow, and the text that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box below. So, today's pick a card readings topic is important messages from your Ascendant Masters. That is going to be the topic for today. Remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, and these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. So relax guys, let go of all the worries, let go of all the thinking, just trust your intuition and select a pile that calls to you. Okay, so for group number 1, this is the card, and we have green aventurine crystal. For group number 2, it's rose quartz. For group number 3, it's lapis lazuli. So 1, 2, 3. The timestamps will be in the description box. Okay. Number 1, if you have chosen this green aventurine crystal, let's see what is your messages, important messages from your Ascendant Master. So I feel like here your Ascendant Masters are telling you to have a daily spiritual practice. This daily spiritual practice can be in form of lighting a candle, lighting a lamp, or meditating, or walking in nature, or praying, or chanting, right? So after you wake up, like maybe it's just about writing a list of people you are grateful for, like writing the things you're grateful for, like starting a day with meditation, prayers. That's something I'm getting, like chanting, like lighting a candle, chanting for some time. That will be very good for you guys, and that will heal you. You know, sometimes you feel like it will not heal me, that's not beneficial for me. No, it's like this thing will help you a lot. That's what I'm getting. So have a daily spiritual practice, daily, okay? That's what I'm getting very strongly. And we have the lotus. You are here to bloom. Like maybe you have dealt with a lot of problems in your life, but through those problems you're going to bloom, you're going to shine. Okay, so in these times you need to be more compassionate to yourself, more caring to yourself, as well as offer a helping hand. So if you are staying with your parents, or if they are making food, if your mom is always making food, or if your mom is always working, maybe lend a hand. Okay, and for if your mothers, like ask for help, like ask for support from people around you. Okay, don't try to do everything by yourself. Okay, so that's something I'm getting. So in your studies also, don't try to learn everything by yourself. If you're confused, ask for guidance, ask support from your friends. Okay, so ask for support as well as give that support. Okay, if someone is asking for help, offer that helping hand. Take care of yourself. Do that self love is very important for you guys. For I don't know if I'm like seeing an image of a person looking in the mirror and saying good things about themselves. I'm just feeling like that you need to do that more often. Maybe you don't do that at all. I'm not saying that you have to do it every day, but you know, whenever you look at yourself, be proud of yourself. Like I'm worthy. You know, just feel like that. That's something I'm getting here. Yeah, you need to take care of yourself. That's the first message I'm getting. And you know what? You're doing enough. You're doing enough. So maybe for some of you feel like that I'm not doing enough. Like, am I working enough? Everyone is doing for me. Am I doing enough? Yes, you are doing enough. For some of you feel like that it's not enough. It is enough. It is enough. You're doing enough. So maybe for some of you, you needed to hear that. Okay, and your Ascendant Masters are telling you you are doing enough. You're doing good. Okay, when you can offer some help, money wise, or like any like through emotional support, if you can offer that support, go ahead and do it. But don't think that you're not doing enough. You are doing enough. Okay, that's something I'm getting very strongly. For some of you, you do and you feel like that you're not doing enough. Like if you're a parent, you feel like that I'm not doing enough for my kids. You are doing. Okay, sometimes you feel that guilt. I feel like for some of you, maybe you're working mothers, or your father, you have a lot of work, so maybe you don't spend too much time with your kids, or you feel like that you're not spending time. So when you're spending time, be focused, listen to them, that's very important, but you are doing enough. That's something I'm getting here. You're doing enough, okay? You're doing your best, okay? So that's something I'm getting from your Ascended Masters. Okay, let's see. And I feel like you're healing. This spiritual practice will heal you a lot, okay? This is very important for you guys, like having a daily spiritual practice. If you're doing it already, very good. So let's see. Solution. Yeah, there shall be light. A solution to your problem is at hand. Okay, so for some of you, there is some problems and you're like very stressed about it. You know, you think that this problem doesn't have a solution, things will be like this only, what I'm gonna do. You know, maybe for some of you it's your work schedule, it's very tight and you don't feel like that you will be able to balance your family as well as your career, maybe something like that. And your Ascended Masters are telling to be care for yourself, be compassionate to yourself, don't take too much on yourself, because there is a solution coming your way, okay? There is light, look, the shine I'm getting, like something is going to clarify for you guys, like the sun is going to shine. Sometimes when this when like I'm feeling like something hidden is coming out, you're going to get a lot of clarity. So solutions are coming here, okay? So just have a daily practice, pray every day, because whatever your situation is, there is a solution. For that, you need to love yourself, take care of yourself. That's very important. Love is the energy, it's the highest vibration, isn't it? So that is what you need more, okay? And when you love yourself, when you take care of yourself, when you're this loving energy, solutions will automatically come. You will know, because there is going to be light, okay? Maybe you're worried about your kids, or maybe you're worried about your parents. There is a solution coming, there is a way coming out, okay? Don't worry. I feel like they're reassuring you, telling you, just keep on doing that spiritual practice, keep on keep on believing in yourself, loving yourself, okay? That's what now you need to do, I feel like. Let's see what else. Yeah, with this lotus also, there is a lot of like lotus blooms in an environment that is very muddy, right? So you're also you also have a lot of problems, but you are going to shine. You will have a solution. There is light, okay? So let's see what else for my group number 1. Okay, secret of secrets. This knowledge is the king of education, the rarest of all secrets and the purest knowledge, because it gives direct perception of the self by realization. It is the perfection of religion. It is eternal and joyfully performed. With this solution, we have the secret of secrets. So some secret is definitely going to be revealed. And as I told you, the sun shines. Like the clarity is coming. The clarity is coming. You're going to see the sun. Like when I feel like now you cannot see the whole picture right now, so that's why you're feeling, oh my god, there is no solution to this problem. You're feeling like that, but the knowledge is going to be given to you guys. So that's why I felt like that you need to meditate every day. You need to take care of your body, of your health, of your mental health, and that is when you will receive that information, okay? So some information is hidden, some information is hidden from you right now, so that's why you're not seeing the solution to your problems. But as you progress with your spiritual practice, as you believe in yourself, as you take care of yourself, things will be revealed to you guys. You like, it's like a light bulb moment. Oh my god, I could do this. Yeah, this is the solution to my problem. Like, you will have that. That's what your Ascended Masters are telling you. So there is knowledge, there is wisdom coming your way, there is light coming your way. You're going to shine, but you need to have you need to believe in yourself, as well as the spiritual practice is very important for you guys. For some of you, I feel like you do it for 1 week, then you stop, like then you don't believe. You believe for like 1 hour, 1 week, then you don't believe. Like for some of you, I feel like you do that you do something and then you look, no, like if you're manifesting also, you manifest, you try for like 1 week or 2 weeks, or if you're doing imagination, you do it for 1 week or 2 weeks, then you stop. Like, don't stop. That's the thing, keep on doing it. That's when you will achieve the success you need in your life. So imagination also, it's like you need to imagine every day, do it. So something like that I'm getting. So yeah, every day do that spiritual practice. But there is definitely some answers coming your way. I find hope in the darkest of days and focus in the brightest. I do not judge the universe. Yes. Equanimity embodies forging ahead with an unshakable courage to experience all circumstances that come your way, and without judging them as good or bad, right or wrong, gain or loss, so that you will not be disturbed by your own negative emotions. Nothing can then spin you out from your calm center. That is what you need to cultivate in your life right now, right? So sometimes, like, you judge yourself a lot. If there is a negative situation, you stress a lot. If there is like, oh my god, what will happen this, oh my god, my son is not studying that well, and then you stress it, and then you make a lot of negative situations. So when we think like this thing is bad, this thing is good, that is when we lose our calmness, right? That's what they're telling. Be more compassionate to yourself, be more kind to yourself, as well as when we're kind to ourselves, when we're compassionate to ourselves, then we give that compassion to other people also. So this is the thing that you need to cultivate in your life, and you are going to see the light, definitely. Yeah, there is something happening in your life where you are struggling, maybe some area of your life where you can't find a solution. Maybe your children are not listening to you, there has been problems in your work or relationship, so you're not seeing the bigger picture right now. And here your ascended masters are telling you that the solution will come when you let go of your expectations right now and just have this calmness. Like, when we judge, when we, oh my god, this person is doing that, why are they doing that, like that time we stress a lot. Don't do that. Be peaceful right now. That is what you need to. For some of you, I feel like you make, or you assume a lot. Over assumptions is the problem that you need to let go of, right? So yeah, in the darkest time also we can find the hope, and that's what you need to cultivate more in your life. Okay, that's what I'm getting here. It's very difficult to do that, when things are not going the way we want. It's difficult to be patient. It's difficult to be calm. But when you do that, you will see the change, you will see the solution. Because stressing or overthinking or overthinking will not change the outcome anyways. It will just take your peace from you, right? And it will lead to suffering. So that's what your ascended masters are telling you right now. And we have number 4 also. 4 is talking about stability, security, right? Everything is going to be okay. You are overthinking. For some of you, I feel like you overthink a lot. And if there is a problem, you tend to overthink about a problem. You like stress about what is the solution. So that they're telling you to be calm. Sit with yourself, have a daily spiritual practice. The solution will automatically come. Okay, when your energy is like calm, peaceful, the solution will come easily to you guys. Okay, so let's see what else. For some of you, I don't know, I'm getting like past resentments. You have a lot of past resentments. Maybe you have this anger towards someone that you need to let go of. That is not helping you at all. Yeah, we have divine support. Of course, you are being supported by your divine. They have the support. I'm getting this Om mantra for some of you. You need to chant that. Maybe do that daily. Like, get up early in the morning. If you don't want to get up early in the morning, it's okay. Just the time you get up, sit. When you get up, sit there and just close your eyes and then chant Om mantra for at least like 108 times. That will be very good for you guys right now. And when you do that, you will feel a lot of calmness. When you start your day with like a day like that, you will feel calm, you will feel centered, you will be grounded, and you will not think too much about your problems. Rather, and when we don't think too much about our problems, that is when the solution will come, right? When we just focus on the problem, you will see that, oh my god, there is no solution at all. This problem is so big, right? So that's what You need to let go of that situation. You need to take a step back and change your perception right now. Right now, focus on your spiritual practice. Right now, focus on your self-care. And if it's possible, give that support to other people, right? So that's what I'm getting here for you guys. And when you do that, I feel like you will understand things a lot. You will see things from a different perspective. You will get the solution. Like, as I told you, a light bulb moment will come. And remember, all that glitters is not gold. Sometimes we feel like that, oh my God, their relationship. Sometimes we compare ourselves to other people. Sometimes we look at other people's relationship and feel like, oh my God, they have everything together. They are successful. No, maybe they are also dealing with life. We don't know. No one shares that kind of secrets, isn't it? Everyone keep it to themselves. Do you share your failures with everyone? Do you share your secrets with everyone? No. Understand that. No, not in the social media we can see. Look, we have blessed. Yeah, definitely you're very blessed. That's what divine is helping you. They are giving you the solution. They are with you, so that they are telling you to meditate. They are telling you to look. Here also we have this Om mantra in this meditation pose. Do that spiritual practice. Follow a spiritual practice. That will be very, very, very beneficial for you guys right now. And you will be able to shift your perception. Sometimes it's very easy to see the things others have and see the things that we don't have in our life. It's very easy to do that. And then we think, overthink, and we feel like that we are not doing it good enough. My life is a waste. That's what you need to let go of, okay? Because you're blessed. Your angels are around you, your spirit guides are around you, your ascended masters are around you. They're helping you, they're supporting you, they're giving you a solution. But now is the time to listen. Now is the time to calm your body, to let go of that stress, to have a spiritual practice, to call upon divine, and you will receive, because you are going to be very blessed, okay? Yeah, you need to clean up. For some of you, it's like when you stress a lot, just go and clean up your house. And with this cleaning house, it's also about cleaning up your emotions that are not good for you guys. If you have some anger, resentment, I told you some anger or resentment, I can feel that. You have certain anger or resentment towards someone. Maybe someone has taken money from you, they haven't given you back, so you hold that resentment, you're holding on to that money. Let go of it. Spirit is saying here. Your ascended master is saying it. Clean that emotion, because that emotion will not, it will make you feel stuck and you will not be able to go out. Yeah, it will make you stuck. That emotion will make you stuck and you will not be able to progress. When you let go of that emotion, when you clear that, that is when things will move forward for you guys, okay? If your house is dirty, if your house is dirty, it's time to clean up. If your house is messy, if things are disorganized, organize it. If your wardrobe is a mess, organize your wardrobe. Declutter the things that you don't use anymore, okay? For some of you, I feel like there are a lot of old medicines in your drawer, in a wardrobe, drawer, what I'm saying, I'm sorry. In your drawer, like these kind of things here. I feel like I'm getting old medicines for some of you. It's time to let that go. Take it out and put it in the trash. Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. Clean your space. Remove the old things that are not necessary. Then we have a kitten here, cat also, right? It's time to do things independently. I'm getting here. Don't wait for other people right now. Like if you want to clean your space, you're calling, you will be like, oh, come, let's do together, and they're not coming. It's like, I'm getting, let's start. You start by yourself. Like if you want to clean your house, start yourself. Start doing by yourself. Don't wait for other people. I don't know why I'm getting that. Like some sort of start doing independently. Maybe you're waiting for someone to clean your house, or you're waiting. You're waiting for someone to organize your closet, or you're waiting like, you want to ask whether this dress is good or not, whether I should throw it or not. Like you are asking that to other person and they are not coming right now. So maybe it's time to do it independently. Something about independence here. If they're not coming, if you have been asking for help, they're not coming, just leave them and start doing by yourself. Okay, yeah, that's also a message for you guys. Let's see. Surrender to your addiction. Yeah, I'm getting like for many of you, it's like your overthinking is an addiction right now. You overstress a lot. Maybe for some of you, to get rid of overthinking, you drink or you smoke a lot. It's time to get rid of that. For maybe, yeah, for some of you, it can be eating also, eating habits also, to not think you eat a lot. There is some sort of addiction that you need to surrender. Okay, that's what with this cleaning house also, getting rid of your addictions, clean that thing. For some of you, you throw things, you don't keep your house clean, and when our house is not clean, the energy doesn't flow. It's not good for you. So maybe organizing things, it's very important for you guys right now. So some sort of addiction is there, and you can only surrender that by having a daily spiritual practice. Okay, or maybe you have someone with you. I think I'm getting you have a partner who is like, who also smokes a lot or drinks a lot. You're like waiting for that partner to stop so you can stop doing that. So maybe it's like a time to do it by yourself. Like, don't wait for them, do it for you. Yeah, someone is, I'm getting like you're waiting for someone to do it together. Instead here your ascended master is saying, don't wait for them, do it by yourself. What are you waiting for? Okay, that's something I'm getting. Maybe it's like your habit, like we can change. We both are doing the same thing, let's change together. You're waiting for that person to change, and that person is not changing you. They're instead they are telling you to do it again and again. You want to change that habit, but you're not able to. You're like, you're waiting for this person to change that habit, so you both can do it together. Now it's like, do it by yourself. You're waiting for something, and it's like spirit is telling, yeah, ascended master is telling to do it by yourself. It's a specific message for some of you. Okay, that was very strong message. So let's see what else. Okay, yeah, small is beautiful. Wow. Yeah, find the extraordinary in the ordinary. Keep it simple. Use discernment, slow down, tend to details, pay attention. Yeah, here look, youthful folly. So yeah, don't do something very without thinking. Don't do anything without thinking, I'm getting, because there is a chance that you might fall. So there is a solution coming. So maybe for some of you, you might not wait for the solution and take action, right? So here spirit is telling you to slow down, have a spiritual practice, surrender your addiction, clean your emotions, let go of your past. If you have resentments towards someone, let go of that resentment, take care of yourself. And when you do that, when your energy is aligned with spirit, you will receive the solution. You will see that light. Okay, that is the message for you guys. Okay, and with this butterfly, a beautiful transformation is going to come your way. You're going to, like for some of you, it's like start small. Like with this, your addiction also, if you have this smoking habit, don't do everything in one day. Don't try to do everything in one day. Like do it small. Like your spiritual practice also, if you're starting, start with 5 minutes, then do it like for 5 minutes. Do it for 1 week, do it for 5 minutes, then next week you can make it 7 minutes, then 10 minutes, right? So go slow. If you are trying to clean up your house, go slow. Start with your room, or start with your closet, start with your drawer. Okay, yeah, that's the thing I'm getting. Start small, then make it big. Okay, your addiction, whatever it is, like letting go of past, letting go of people's. Yeah, okay, so that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group group number 2, if you have chosen this rose quartz crystal and Gaia earth connection, then this is your reading with me. Let's see what is the important messages from your ascendant masters. You have Gaia, Mother Earth Gaia. So be mindful of the planet, come back to earth, stay grounded. So what I'm getting for you guys is you doubt your work a lot. Maybe you have certain talents, or maybe you are asking divine, am I doing enough? Is my work giving anything, like is my work benefiting anyone? Like you doubt yourself. So it is benefiting other people. Even if it benefits one people, be happy, you're doing enough. Don't doubt yourself, don't doubt your skills. Keep on practicing, keep on improving, but don't doubt yourself. Be confident. Okay, so for many of you, when you are in nature, when you are near a water body, your energy is so full of love, and your vibration rises when you spend time in nature. So if it's possible, if you can go out, spend a little bit time in nature. If you can take a break, if you can take a vacation, go out and take that break, because it will recharge you. It will give you a lot of creative ideas. I feel like that. Okay, it will remove the roadblocks. The main roadblock to your success is your own doubt. I feel like that you doubt yourself a lot. You doubt about your success, or you feel like, yeah, I'll be successful. Then you doubt, will I be successful? Will I be able to make it? You have a passion of, maybe for example, you want to write a book, and you start with one page, and then you doubt yourself. Am I good at writing? You question yourself. Yes, you are. Even if it benefits 1 or 2 people, you are doing good. You are doing good, guys. That's what Mother Earth Gaia is telling. So spend time with her, spend time in nature. If you can plant trees, go ahead and do it. If you can go out for hiking, go do it. Okay, so if you can go near a water body, spend time there, go ahead and do it. Okay, so that's the thing I'm getting from your ascendant masters. So it's important for you to spend some quality time in nature. If you cannot go out, just if you have a pet, spend time with them. Okay, that will be it will actually recharge you, it will relax you, and it will take away your doubts. I'm getting, when you connect with nature, it will give you different perception. It will give you a lot of creative ideas. Okay, and understand you're full of love. I'm getting this pile is full of love. You just want to help people, you want to be of service, and you will be. You're doing good. Okay, you're doing good. So don't doubt yourself. That's what your ascendant masters are telling you. So group number 2, what else? Karmic depth. Pay off the old debts and try not to accumulate new ones. So I feel like this cycle is ending. I feel like you take too much from other people also. Okay, I feel like what I'm getting is like criticism. If someone criticizes you, take it to your heart. Okay, constructive criticism is sometimes needed in your life, right? But whenever someone criticizes you, you take it to your heart and you question yourself. Don't do it. Don't question yourself. That's what I'm telling you with this depth, how you pronounce it, I'm sorry, death or depth. Oh, okay, so I'm sorry for that. Forgive me. Okay, with that, look, this person is like carrying it, right? What I feel like that you carry that. You feel like if someone criticizes you, take it to your heart, and you like question, oh my, am I doing good? Am I not doing best? Am I just doing like, are people benefiting from my work? You question yourself. If you're an artist, if someone just criticizes, or if they don't like the art, you feel like, oh my god, no one will like that art. You question yourself. So don't do that. That's what I'm getting. And you're ending a cycle. Your karma is balancing. I'm feeling like that is something I'm getting. A lot of balance is coming your way. So just be grounded, and you're doing good enough. That's what your ascendant masters are telling you, to be confident in yourself. You're going to shine like a sun. Why are you covering yourself with doubt? Instead, cover yourself with confidence or with belief. Like, believe in yourself, trust yourself, cover yourself with trust. Okay, let's see what else. Don't chain yourself. Yeah, don't chain yourself to other people's criticism, or if other people doesn't support you. If someone don't support you, don't chain yourself by their thoughts. It's them, it's not you, it's not your work. There are going to be people who will love your work. So maybe you are someone, if like 10 people praise you, you will not take that praise. Instead, if one person says something bad, you will take that very seriously. So don't do that. Don't do that. That's what here Mother Earth Gaia is telling you. You are very important for this world. Okay? Your work is important. You are important and you're valid. Okay? So let's see. Look, I'm getting that also. Lot of learning you're going to do. You're going to learn more and more and more. So keep on learning, okay? Keep on learning. Don't stop learning. You can learn from your failures. You can learn from your mistakes, right? So keep on doing that. But don't stop believing in yourself. Don't start doubting yourself. Oh, why? It's taking a lot of time. Let me just shuffle once more. And then what else? I'm getting someone here just doubts about their future a lot. They always think what my future is holding for me, what my future. It's like, don't think too much about your future. Okay, don't think too much about your future now. Just focus on the present moment. And when you stress a lot, go out in nature. What's happening? Wait a second, guys. I'm so sorry for this. Slip just falling. Maybe for some of you, you have been breaking a lot of glasses or something like that. And they're telling you to, maybe for some of you, it's time to let go of certain emotions that are holding you back. Okay? Maybe, yeah, I don't know. I feel like maybe you have recently broke glasses or something like that. Things, or maybe you fell a lot of times or something, falling, breaking, something like that. Okay, I'm just going to, this is not the cards, wait. Okay, we got the coward soul. Yeah, here you are covering yourself with doubt. Don't cover yourself with doubt. Right? That's what I'm getting. You're covering yourself with the doubt. Instead of that, cover yourself with awareness. Cover yourself with nature, like with positive things. As fire is covered by smoke, as a mirror is covered by dust, or as the embryo is covered by the womb, similarly the living being is covered by different layers of lust. Oh, okay, yeah. Here I feel like you're covered with your doubt. You doubt yourself. You take criticism very seriously, and that's the thing you need to let go of. Okay, and when you feel, if someone criticizes you, if you're taking it very if you're feeling very bad about it, if you're thinking about it constantly, go out, sit with nature, ask Mother Gaia for guidance. You will get it. Okay, you are here to climb these mountains. You're not here to please people. You are not here to please people. You are here for higher purpose. Okay, and we have crocodile. Okay, I'm just gonna let's see what this crocodile means. Okay, just wait. I'm just very curious. I'm sorry. Just give me a little time. Yeah. Crocodiles are symbols of wisdom and the protector and keeper of all knowledge. Therefore, this beast signifies a new beginning of the term of renewal and growth. Yes, it's like it's time to learn from your own mistakes. Instead of thinking too much of why people are criticizing me, instead of doubting that, take that wisdom and work on that. So there is a lot of knowledge, there is a lot of higher knowledge that you will be accumulating in your life. There is so much of learning from your mistakes, learning from your failure, everything. Okay, to just don't doubt yourself. A doubting soul will not accomplish things, will not get the success, because if you're doubting yourself, that doubt will manifest in your life and you will see more of it. So that's what you need to let go of right now. Okay, and I feel like you will receive a lot of wisdom, a lot of guidance from spirit, from Mother Earth Gaia. She is with you. Okay, yeah, pure thought. You need to yeah, that's the thought. You doubt yourself, your thoughts about yourself. That is what you need to purify. You take other people's criticism too harshly. Sometimes you need to let go of. You need to understand that they are also human beings. Sometimes it's their way of thinking, it's their energy, it's not mine, right? We are shaped by our thoughts. Yeah, understand that we are shaped by our thoughts. The more we criticize ourselves, if we take the criticism very seriously, then we criticize ourselves. We feel like that, oh, I am not good at that. Then we doubt, then we criticize ourselves. It will not work for our highest good, right? So that's what you need to let go of. We are shaped by our thoughts. We become what we think. When the mind is pure, joy follows like a shadow that never leaves, isn't it? Yeah, that's what you need to do. You need to believe in yourself. You need to embrace more joy, more playfulness. And when you are in when you are in nature, that's a very good energy for you guys. You will feel very loved, very joyful, very happy. You will feel like a child when you're in nature, and that's why I feel like you need to spend more time in nature. Look deep into your heart and question the motivation for your thoughts as well as their truthfulness. Do they lead to happiness? When you can remove your own personal fantasy stories from your thoughts, you will be able to embrace reality simply as it is and understand that there is a divine purpose to everything that happens to us. Wow. Sometimes instead of overthinking why this person criticized me, instead of thinking that, just think why this happened. Maybe was I criticizing myself? I feel like that's what is happening. Sometimes you criticize yourself. Maybe you make an art piece and then you feel like that, oh my god, this is not good enough. Will this be liked by other people? You doubt yourself. So that doubt doesn't lead to happiness, does it? So believing in yourself leads to happiness. So do that. Okay, that's what you need more in your life. You need to purify your own thoughts. Okay, that's something. You're covering yourself with that doubt. You need to remove that doubt, that layers of doubt. Okay, because your work is worthy. You are going to help people. Your art will help heal people. If you're singers, your voice will help people. If you're whatever you do, your work will help people in some way or another. So don't doubt yourself. Okay, your thoughts are very important. Your thoughts will manifest for you guys. So keep a note on what you're thinking. Okay guys, that's something I'm getting here. Yeah, you need to relax, guys. You need to relax more. You need to go out in nature. You need to relax yourself. You need to spend some quality time in nature. Maybe for some of you, it's time to take a break from your work, daily routine. Just go out, relax. Maybe go out near an ocean, relax, spend some time there. Or maybe do some activities that you like, that you love, that makes you feel happy, right? Do something like that. Or maybe if you work at night, maybe take a break. Maybe you're someone who don't sleep properly. Maybe you need to focus on that also, sleeping properly, sleeping at the correct time, like by 10 go to bed, get that 8 hours of sleep. That's also something I'm feeling like maybe you don't sleep well, so you need to focus on that also. Like before getting to bed, don't take your mobile phone. Okay, keep it somewhere else. Just take a book or read or drink some milk or drink something that makes you feel relaxed at night. Don't yeah, I'm getting for some of you, don't drink alcohol and all at night. Maybe it will not be good for your sleep. I don't know why I got that. So you need a very relaxing sleep. So do healthy, like bring more healthy habits into your life. Okay, There is fulfillment coming, guys. There is definitely fulfillment. You are going to fulfill your destiny. You're going to fulfill your purpose, but don't doubt yourself. Relax, guys, relax. Yeah, observer. There is a lot of information coming from your spirit guides, from your angels, from your ascended masters. Like, you see a lot of signs. Your dreams, in your dreams you see a lot of symbols. So observe that, okay? And trust your instincts, trust your feeling. Maybe you'll receive a lot of creative messages, like a lot of like, do this, do that, sometimes you feel intuitively. Take action on that, okay? Yeah, that's something I'm getting. And we have chopped wood. Yeah, you need to relax. That's what I'm getting. You need to relax more with this chopped wood. You need to relax more. You need to let go of overthinking. You don't doubt yourself. Observe more. There are a lot of signs, messages that you're receiving from spirit. Be focused. What work you're doing, be focused on that. Keep on doing that. Don't put doubt into that. Don't take criticism too seriously. If you feel like that, yeah, I need to change that, yeah, you can do that, you can change it, but don't overly focus on that and stress about it, okay? Don't do that. Relax, guys. And when you relax, that is when you see a lot of signs, a lot of messages from your spirit guides. But I feel like you're very connected to the nature, and when you are out in nature, you see that signs. Maybe a lot of things are happening. You listen to music also. I feel like through music also you receive your messages, okay? So I feel like when you're calm, when you're relaxed, that is when you get all that messages from spirit, okay? So spend some quality time with yourself also, okay? Don't try to do everything by yourself. Don't try to do. Maybe you're someone who does everything by yourself. So just if you want help, ask for support. Even if it's from your spirit guides, ask for that support from them. Because you are here to lead. Okay? People will follow you for your work. Yes. Believe in yourself. And when you believe, that is when the door will open. A lot of opportunities are waiting for you guys, but you're not seeing it because of your own doubt. So yeah, into the unknown. Don't be worried to go into the unknown, because this unknown is beautiful. That's what I'm getting. There is a lot of hidden information that is coming your way. A lot of signs, a lot of messages you will receive from spirit when you're in this relaxed state. When you're relaxed, when you're not doubting yourself, when you believe in yourself, you will receive a lot of messages on what you need to do next, okay? Sometimes it will take you to the unknown. Sometimes you will feel, oh my god, this idea, I don't know where this will lead. Just go, follow the lead. Follow the lead. Yeah, follow your intuitive lead. Okay, spirit is going to give you a lot of messages. Follow that. Don't doubt it. Maybe for some of you, doubt your intuition. That is also the thing, because you're very afraid to get into the unknown. You don't know what the future holds. Don't think too much about your future. Just take that lead, because this is very beautiful. Things will come together for you guys. The things you want in your life, you will manifest. So don't be so worried, okay? So let's see what you need to surrender. Surrender the drama. Yeah, for some of you, I feel like that if someone says something, you take it very seriously, right? So surrender that. Don't get into the drama. For some of you, I feel like you need to spend some quality time with yourself. Like, if you have a family, there is a lot of going on, maybe you need some space for yourself. So sometimes we feel like that, oh, if I leave them, if I take my space, what will they feel? No, don't worry about that. If you want to lock the door and sit in your room for some time, do it, okay? You don't have to be in this drama anymore. For some of you, it's in your past, there has been a lot of drama. There have been a lot of dramas. People have been like that only. Maybe you think about it a lot. Maybe it's time to release that, because in the future, I feel like you will not get into those kind of people, those kind of drama, those kind of gossip. You're not here for everyone. That is also I'm getting. Maybe everyone will not understand you, and it's okay. You don't have to prove everything to everyone. You cannot do that, okay? So there will be people who will support you, who will support your work, who will recognize you. Not everyone will recognize you, and it's okay. You're not here for everyone anyways, right? We have 2 7s here, right? So 7 7, lot of learning, meditation, focus on your learning, focus on this higher wisdom that you're receiving, because you're receiving a lot of wisdom from the divine. Take note of that. Write your intuitive leads. Write that whenever you feel something intuitively, you take the book, write it down. When you dream something, write it down. These all will give, these are, it's a way, it's the way that Mother Earth, Gaia, as your ascendant masters communicate with you. Okay, and take that definite lead, that intuitive lead. It's just like take a leap of faith and go with it. Okay, I feel like taking for you guys one more of these, what you need to surrender. That's a lot. I'm just taking one more. Surrender to setting limits. Yeah, don't limit yourself, guys. You are unlimited being. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. For some of you, you feel like that, oh, I have this much talent only, I'll be able to achieve this much only. Don't, no, you are here to achieve so much. Universe has so much abundance, and you can achieve anything you want to achieve. If you want money, you can have that. If you want fame, you can have that. If you want a good relationship, you can have that. You can have anything, but don't limit yourself. Like with this thought, you limit yourself. Oh, what will other people say if I do that? You put yourself in a box. Don't do that. Okay? Or you're like, oh my God, if I do this, what my parents will think of me? I cannot do this because they will think that of me. Don't limit yourself, because you are unlimited being. You can achieve whatever you want to achieve in your life. Interestingly, we have 2 crescent moons here, right? New beginnings are coming for you guys, but all you need to do is to relax and take action towards your intuitive leads. That's what I'm getting very strongly. You get a lot of creative messages, ideas. Take action. Yeah, it will lead. You will know. You don't know where you're going. It is something that you don't know, but it will give you the success. So relax. Get out in nature, relax whenever you're stressed, because nature heals you. Okay? Yeah. Contemplation, gaining overview, detached observation, increased understanding, solitude, integration through reflection. Yes. It's like I told you, learning from your past mistakes. Sometimes we cover ourselves with doubt. It's time to let go of that. Take a step back. See things from a different perception, right? Yeah, it's like it's like taking time out, going out in nature, reviewing things, doing the work, okay? That will help you, okay? So that's what you need to do right now. I feel like with this job wood also, you need to spend some quality time with yourself. Go out in nature, relax, spend some quality time there, and you will get the information that you need. I'm getting, you will get, you will receive that intuitive lead. I'm getting that also. Right now you are like setting yourself in limits. You're like, you are in this box, you cannot go there because you have family, you cannot do that because you have to prove to other people, right? You need to let go of that. You need to come out of your box, right? And observe, guys. There is a lot of signs, numbers, your dreams. You receive a lot of messages. You receive a lot of clarity also. There is so much of awareness coming your way, okay? And I feel like you're going to build your character more, okay? You're going to move forward. You're going to progress. There is increase in your life. I see increase for you guys. There is growth. Sometimes growth is very uncomfortable. Sometimes we have to like let go of the people we love, right? Sometimes it's difficult, but it's just a part of your process. Sometimes you cannot listen to everyone, right? Sometimes we cannot fulfill everyone. First we need to fulfill ourselves. If you fulfill other people, if you make other people happy, if you're not happy, what's the use, right? That's it, guys, for group number 2. Bye bye. Group number 3, if you have chosen this lapis lazuli, so I feel like you're ending a cycle, okay? A new cycle is coming your way, like with a circle. I'm getting that because this looks like a ball. I'm getting like a circle for you guys. And let's see what are the important messages from your spirit guides, from your ascended masters, right? So I feel like I told spirit guides, and I'm getting like you have a team of spirit guides that always help you. Okay, you're very, very protected. You're empaths, I'm getting in some way you're empaths, so you need to protect your energy. You're very protected, but at the same time you need to sage yourself, you need to protect yourself. If it's possible, have an altar where you can do your do this protection, like saging and all, so it will be very beneficial for you guys. Okay, and with this divine healing, you need time to recharge. You know, if you go out, a lot of people take your energy because you're empath, right? So you need time to recharge. So always do that self-care routine. Okay, that's very important, like taking a spiritual bath, listening to music, doing things for yourself like painting or watching movie. Take that alone time. Okay, that's very much needed for you guys, because I feel like if in your family someone is stressing, you stress for them, you take their energy a lot. So be aware of it, and let go of that, because it's not your energy. You tend to take other people's energy, so you're very drained. You become drained very easily. So that's why you need to fill up your cup, okay, and then only give. So take care of your health, eat properly. You need that energy, because I feel like people take your energy very easily. You give energy very easily because you're empaths. And I'm getting astrology for some of you. Maybe for some of you are feeling like you need to learn astrology, or maybe you are very good at it. So maybe it's time to do that practice, like give advice to other people. Maybe you are learning, you're not giving it to other people, so it's time to give. So I feel like for some of you, you have some certain wisdom, you have certain ideas that you're keeping to yourself. You're just planning, you're not taking action. So maybe it's time to take action. That's what your ascendant masters are telling, because this thing will help other people, will heal other people. So maybe if you're a therapist, you have a different way of doing therapy. You are very good at it, maybe, but you are not doing it. So maybe it's time to do it, because it will benefit a lot of people, right? So you have certain knowledge, you have certain information, you are planning something. Maybe it's time to maybe it's time to get the tripod so you can make videos. Maybe for some of you are planning to get a tripod. I don't know, I just received that message. It's time to go get the tripod, guys. Maybe you have the camera, there is no tripod, so it's like get the tripod and start making videos. Or you have a like that was like it just came, that tripod. I'm just seeing like tripod. So maybe for some of you it's that. Just start making videos, don't think about the outcome, just do it, because it will benefit other people. So you have certain information that you're keeping to yourself, it's time to give it. If you're doing it, keep on doing it, because it's benefiting other people. Okay, you are definitely a healer, you have healing abilities. For some of you, that's also a thing. You need to show it to other people. You need to come out. Yeah, I provide the services. Like, don't keep it to yourself, give it, because the world will benefit from it. Okay, so communicate. Okay, for some of you, if you're already providing services, be proud of your services. Like if you're charging, you have problem charging people, here your ascendant masters is telling you don't, because you deserve that. It's like money is just a form of energy, so don't be hesitant to charge. Okay, because you deserve it. You're giving that energy to them, you are helping other people, so don't be afraid to charge. Okay, and we have this green energy, and green energy for me is all about abundance, prosperity. You deserve that. For some of you, if you have business like healing business, it will grow, it will give you the abundance. But don't be afraid to charge to other people. Maybe you feel like, oh my god, am I charging enough, am I charging more? So if someone asks that, you doubt. No, don't doubt, just charge, because you deserve it. Okay, that's something I'm getting strongly. Don't underestimate your power. Okay, you underestimate yourself. You have so much of you have so much that you can give it to other people. You have so much knowledge, you have so much wisdom, you have this healing abilities, right? So don't underestimate yourself. For some of you, Reiki symbols, Reiki masters, you're Reiki masters. Maybe you're learning that, but you're very afraid to start, or maybe you're just planning. You want to start, but you're very afraid. You're underestimating yourself whether I have that ability or not. It's like you have the ability of divine healing, so go with it. You heal people. And I feel like your heart chakra is opening up, so there's a lot of abundance coming your way. And you're a very heart person, so it's like, listen to your heart. If you're feeling like, yes, you need to start that, you need to work on that project, you need to take that action, go ahead and take action, guys. Maybe for some of you just planning, you're not taking action. It's time to take action. For your health also, for some of you, it's like you are planning to exercise, you never exercise. Maybe it's like, start exercising. Maybe you're like, I want to get into this diet, I want to stop eating non-veg, I want to do this, I want to have that diet. So some of you like just planning, you're not taking action. So it's like, take action. For some of you, you're receiving a lot of messages from spirit. You're feeling it in your gut that you need to do it, but you're not doing it. So it's time to do. That's what your Ascended Masters are telling you. Okay, you got one card. So let's see. What is the message for group number 3? Wow, look, the spiritual teacher. I was telling you have certain wisdom, you have certain knowledge that you need to give it to the world. Yes, the spiritual teacher is coming. For some of you, definitely a spiritual teacher. You are literally teachers who can give wisdom to other people. You can teach meditation to young kids. Maybe you can heal children. Maybe you can give them advice. Maybe you can just do through your wisdom you can give guidance to young adults, right? So you have that. Okay, that's what I'm getting you, through your seminars. Maybe you're planning to you're planning to do workshops, you're planning for seminars, but you don't do it because you underestimate yourself. So it's time, you have that wisdom, give it to other people. Don't keep it to yourself, don't keep the knowledge to yourself. Okay, for some of you, you have this healing abilities, you are healers, but for some of you, you are not doing it on a large scale. Okay, so maybe you have a job. Maybe for some of you, you want to do it full time, but you are doubting yourself, you are underestimating yourself, you're thinking about finances, whether this will give, can I charge? Maybe you do it for free. Now you're like, can I do this for money? Yes, you can do it, right? So yeah, that's the thing. And I feel like Spirit is blessing you. Spirit is blessing you. A lot of blessings are coming your way, guys. Your health is going to improve. Your mental health is going to improve. Your wealth is going to improve. There's a lot of blessings coming. That's what I'm getting with the Ascended Masters. Yeah. Let's see what else. It's taking a lot of time. Wait a second, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just now. Yeah. Taking action. Again, I got that. Taking action. Chariot energy. Take action, guys. Don't stop yourself. Oh God, that's a lot. Wait. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for that. Just give me some time. I'll just shuffle again. So what are the messages, important messages from Ascended Masters for my group number 3? For some of you, you're devotees of Krishna. That is also I'm getting. And Krishna has seen your commitment, okay? Your commitment has been seen, okay? Your commitment has been seen. Trust. Krishna is with you. I feel Krishna is with you. Yeah. Krishna's energies I'm getting strong. If you believe in him, yes, definitely he is with you. Okay, finally. Yes, I was like, the chariot energy I'm getting, like taking action. That's what I'm getting. The restless mind. For some of you, you are. Whether should I do it or not? Should I take action? You're doubting yourself, as Arjuna was doubting, right? At the time of war. If you don't know the story, then Krishna advises him to do it, right? Like that, you are also doubting whether I should do this, whether it will provide good, it will help other people, whether should I charge. You're doubting yourself, like you're becoming restless. Maybe you want to quit your job and do this full time. For some of you, you want to do this full time. It's like you're doubting yourself. So it's like, I feel like here, let go of that restless mind, because The more you doubt yourself, it will not work for you, right? So believe in yourself, believe in your own capabilities, believe in your own healing abilities, and yes, you can provide that knowledge to other people. The knowledge that you have, the wisdom you have, it will help other people to move forward in their life. Okay, who's the yoga practitioner whose mind is unriddled can never attain self-realization. Only one who has mastered the self and who strives by right means is assured of success. I'm sorry. But yeah, for some of you, yeah, you're doubting yourself, and when we doubt ourselves, when we underestimate ourselves, then how we will achieve the success that we want? If you are not like you have been planning, but if you don't take action, how you are going to success, right? It's time to take action. For some of you, you want to travel, you want to go to different places, or maybe you want to do seminars in different places, but you are stopping yourself, you're underestimating yourself, you're overthinking about things. So stop doing that. Okay, yeah. Impermanence. Thanks to impermanence, everything is possible. When you can accept the impermanence of life, that everything is subject to change and that everything will experience the ever-changing nature of life, you allow your faith to be renewed, hope to blossom, and every moment becomes precious. Yeah, understand that the situation is not going to be the same every time. The only thing that is permanent is change, right? Nothing is permanent. So yeah, so maybe if you are going through a tough time right now, that is not permanent. Everything is impermanent, right? Thanks to that, so everything is possible, right? So for some of you, you are stressing a lot. The stress is also not for a long time. It will change when you take action, when you believe in yourself. Okay, this is what you need to contemplate in your life right now, that everything is nothing is permanent. Everything is subject to change. Everything will change, and because everything changes, so everything is possible. Okay, that's what you need to know right now. That's what your ascended masters are telling you. Nothing is permanent. Everything is subject to change. Only the thing that is permanent is change. So don't resist change. Okay, for some of you, it's like you want to quit your job and do this thing. You want to help people, you want to give that guidance to other people, you want to make it full time, but you're like, what if my finances will not be great? What if this doesn't if it doesn't succeed, what will I do? So you're overthinking a lot. So you need to let go of it. Okay, let's see what else. Okay, splendor. Yeah, enjoy life. And you know what? Enjoy the beauty of the nature. Look at the butterflies. Like, a lot of transformation is going to come your way, right? A lot of transformation, beautiful transformation. When you believe in yourself, things will change. So right now I feel like you're stressing, you're underestimating your skills. You're like, should I do this? Or for some of you, it's like you're not feeling healthy, right? Your body is not healthy, you don't have the energy to take action, you have certain plans, but you feel like that your body is not helping you in any way. I feel like that is also not permanent. It will change, you will regain that health. So just enjoy, take, like, just be in the present moment. I'm getting here. Don't think too much about your future right now. Right now your ascended masters are telling to look in the nature, see the beauty that we have in this world, right? There's so many beautiful things. Go out, experience that. Okay, see the things that you have already manifested in your life. And then with this peacock weather, I'm reminded of Lord Krishna also, right? So yeah, and we have Lord Krishna here. So with this, I feel like Lord Krishna has seen your commitment, and everything will manifest for you guys. Your dreams will become a reality. So just take action. You will have the energy to take action. And so if your health is not well right now, it will change. It is not permanent. Okay, believe in it. So relax, go out in nature, be in the present moment. Don't think too much about the future. Okay, that's what your ascendant masters are telling you, and to believe in your skills. Like group number 2 also had this. To believe. Yeah, you're fated. This is your destiny. You're destined to help people. You're destined to be recognized. You're destined to be like, I feel like you're destined to heal people, or you're here to heal. Okay, with the stars, your wishes are coming true. You're fated for that. Your wishes will come true. And 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 is all about abundance. Again, I told you, there is a lot of abundance, like abundance in health, abundance in wealth, prosperity, happiness. So if you're lacking something right now, remember, it's not permanent. It will change. Okay, things are going to change. So don't resist change. Yeah, because you are destined to have that happiness. You're destined to fulfill your destiny, right? I feel like you're fated to fulfill your destiny in some way. You're here to help people. You're here to guide people. You're here to heal people, and you're here to be healed. So yeah. So what else for my group number 2? Spirit is helping you in every way. So if your health is not good, you are going to regain your health. Don't worry about it. So just if you're going to doctor, see doctor, do the take your medicines, you will regain your health. But at the same time, have a healthy diet. That's also I'm getting. Okay. Yeah, be clear with your intentions. Okay, don't go back and forth with your intentions, right? If you want to achieve if you want to get into a career that will heal other people, be clear with that. Be clear with your desires. Okay, I even feel like that the thoughts you have, the intentions you have, it is your destiny in some way. It is your fate. I'm getting that it's your fate. You are fated to help other people. You are here to help heal other people in some way. You are here to fulfill your desires, as well as you will be helping other people to fulfill theirs. And we have 22 number. 22 number, it's like angels are with you. Your ascendant masters are with you. Your wishes are coming true with this dandelions. I'm getting that one. And we have the owl. You have that wisdom. You're an old soul, guys. You're an old soul. You can see through lies. You can see through deceptions. You know yourself that the doubt will not help you. You know it. So why doubt? So enjoy every moment. Okay. So what you need to surrender? Be clear with your intention. Write your intentions and be clear with it. I would recommend like writing your list of desires daily. Have a book, a prosperity book, where you can write your desires daily and focus on that. And whatever you desire will come true. Okay? Surrender to success, guys. You're so afraid of success. Like you feel like you will not be successful because of maybe you feel like this will not take you further. No, it's just you thinking like that. It's not the case. So enjoy. Be proud of your work. Okay? You can do it in big scale. Like maybe for some of you, you're doing it on a small scale right now, you want to grow it. You will be able to do it. So be clear with your intention. If you have a business, small healing business, you can grow it. Be clear with it. Be clear with your intentions. Don't go back and forth. What you need to surrender right now? What group number 3 needs to surrender? Oh, surrender unhealthy relationships. For some of you, it's like you need to take care of your health. That's what I'm getting. Maybe for some of you, there are people around you who are telling you that you will not be able to do it, or they are. Maybe you want to do it. At the same time, they are putting a lot of doubt into you. So that's what you need to do. There are people around you. So maybe there are unhealthy relationships that are not good for you, and you know it very clearly. So maybe it's time to surrender that. Okay, because this is not helping you for your progress. If people are discouraging you, if there are friends where you talk about, I want to do this, I want to travel the world, if you share your dreams with someone and they are like discouraging you, or they are acting like, what are you even saying, this is not possible, or if they're saying something mean, maybe they don't want your success. So surrender those kinds of people. And I feel like what is this unhealthy relationship that you have. Maybe it's an unhealthy relationship that you have towards yourself, like you think that you will not be able to make it. That's what you need to surrender. Or maybe it's people, okay, because you are fated, you have this, you are here to fulfill your destiny. You're fated, okay, remember that. Don't let other people tell you who you are. You know that who you are, right? So be proud of that. So surrender those toxic relationships that are stopping from your growth. Maybe you want to quit your job, you tell your parents and they look, just stop it. What are you going to do? You're going to do this? This will not give you anything. Maybe they stop you, right? So that's what, sometimes you need to listen to yourself. Sometimes you need to listen to your heart. That's what, with this heart, I'm getting that. Listen to your heart right now. Yeah, right now they will not support you, but that's also not permanent. Later they will. Right now it's like you take action, the recognition will come later. Let's see the last final messages for you guys. Okay. Enthusiasm, right? Yes, it's like motivate yourself, guys. You are here to motivate others. First you motivate yourself. Yes, I can do it, I will be able to do it. Go with it. Self-expression, inspiring others, self-confidence, totality, success, sharing a positive response. So you are here to help people, you are here to heal people, you are here to give that enthusiasm to other people, you are here to make other people grow, you are here to help other people with their success. But before that, you need to listen to your heart, you need to motivate yourself, you need to take action on your goals, dreams, desires, right? Because when you are confident, you will be able to fulfill your destiny and believe in yourself, believe in your desires, believe in your dreams. Yeah, sometimes things might not go the way we want, but it is not permanent. Things will change. Happiness is not permanent, sadness is not permanent, nothing is permanent, right? So yeah, so don't stop yourself, don't stop because others don't believe in you, right? Maybe there are people who don't believe in you. That doesn't mean that you're not worthy, that doesn't mean that you will not be able to do it. So instead of seeking that outer validation, validate yourself. That's what your Ascended Masters want you to know right now. Bye bye, take care.